We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, continuing to fight and hold support levels here and test key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator since 9:50 a.m. You can see it right there. It did not get canceled till 2:20 p.m. And that was the strongest bull indicator there on the SPY. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full transition from the dip area to the rip area of bright green bars on 42 vision. And call options went up 120% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and joining a community of members using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now get equipped and gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the charts and within the market. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. Now you could see here on that home run opportunity here on the SPY sent out over to the Discord at 9:50 a.m. and it lasted almost all day. Every time it came back to that level, it used it as support. And this is where the bull and bear indicators give us that edge and clarity to be able to see the trend, right? As long as these pullbacks do not have bear indicators and larger time frames like the 15-minute are holding up those bull indicators when they pull up, then any pullback is just a setup for the next bull run, as I like to call it. And you could see that there as well. Bull indicator that lasted all day here so far since 667, and it hit highs up here of 604.50. And this is what it's all about, having that edge and clarity of the charts. If it's your first time coming across the channel as well, we also have here on the screen 42 vision, right? And this is what lets us see the dips from the rips and the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within these charts, followed by our inflow versus outflow indicator and the bull and bear indicators for extra confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the SP 500 index, back under a bull indicator after getting a volatile bear indicator up here at 605 on the 30-minute and quickly getting canceled in today's volatility at the 601.70 level. Now, when we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see a bear indicator has popped up for the first time since the bull indicator from 603. This changes things, and if we continue to stay below these levels here, right? If we go ahead and change the color here and we darken this, we could see if we stay below these levels and this trend, which it's going to try to break out here going into the after hours and tomorrow's pre-market, and a bull indicator does not pop up as we retest key resistance levels, this could start the trend of weakness based off the bigger picture, right? Because the 1 hour is showing a bear indicator. Now the 30-minute has popped back up with a bull indicator, and when you zoom out to the 2 hour, a bear indicator has been in effect here since 605. That's exactly where things rejected today, and we're below that. And then we also have the 4 hour here under a bull indicator since 601. So we have crucial resistance and support levels to not ignore. And alongside with our inflow versus outflow, it allows us to get that extra layer of confirmation of who is dominating. And we're sitting kind of flat here. And this is where it's going to get crucial going into tomorrow. And these key levels I'm about to break down, you do not want to ignore. We have bull indicators on larger time frames. And if we go all the way up to the 1 day, we've been under a bull indicator here since 589. So all these pullbacks are not even justifiable because the bigger picture has not been canceled. So the bigger you go and the more zoomed out in the lower time frames, there's a little bit of more volatility. but we have a divergence between the 30-minute with a bull indicator again and the 1 hour with a bear indicator. So here are the levels. So the first thing is support, guys. If this bear indicator continues to hold, and the 30-minute, the 15-minute, they all go from bull indicators into bear indicators, that is going to be a confirmation of possible weakness, followed by the 2-hour bear indicator and followed by the 4-hour getting a possible cancellation of this bull indicator. If not, any pullback here, as long as the bull indicator on the 4-hour does not get canceled, is not justifiable and can quickly turn into a support and bounce back up. So that's something to watch. So the first support here is 602, guys. 602.50. If that gets broken through, the next support I'll be watching is down towards 600, and then comes 598. To the upside, it's going to be crucial to break through 604.50, then comes up here 605.50, and then the 606 to 608 levels. If these bull indicators start to roll over into the larger time frames, canceling out this one and canceling out the 2-hour one, followed by the confirmation of the 4-hour in the bigger picture holding up and staying above 601.80. And you could see how it's been used as support multiple times. We're slightly above it, but then we also have the resistance up here based off the 2-hour to not ignore, and we need to see if we can break through it up towards 605.50. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows. To add that extra layer of confirmation, I'll be watching if they can start to cross back over and push up, because if they stay below, it could quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts and gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and joining the community of members using 42 Vision. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.